Actually, as you said, I am involved with OISCA International. It is a Japan-based organization. It got several branches in India, and South India is one of the strongest chapters in India. And we have UN recognition, as well as, we are the recipients of the Indira Gandhi Vrikshamitra Award for the biodiversity or for the conservation of nature. That is one of the prestigious awards given by the government of India for this kind of activities, environmental.
And tell us more about the involvement with this organization. What kind of activities do you take up?
We undertake several activities in the environment section, and the most important thing is that conservation of nature, and with the participation of children, school children. We have a program called Love Green Clubs in the schools, and children are given some knowledge and awareness about the nature and about cultivation of new plants and all those things to preserve the balance of the nature, actually.
So talking about your region, your state, what is the most pressing biodiversity issue as of today?
Kerala is blessed with a lot of forests and all those things. But the density of the population is very, very high. So people encroach forest land, wetlands, even the oceans, actually, seashore also. They are encroaching like anything for the benefits. That's the main issue, actually. So we are addressing that kind of issues, actually.
I did ask somebody else as well from Kerala on some other issue pertaining to biodiversity, and I was curious to understand the relationship between education and responsibility towards environment, because Kerala is said to be is ranked 1 in the literacy rate. So how do you interpret this distortion, this problem?
You mean children's involvement in this thing, actually?
No, the people responsible for their distorted habits that has led to the distortion of, let's say, biodiversity, in spite of being literate.
Yeah, because the land available with them is very low. Especially in Kerala and all those things, the population is very high, the education is very high, but the land in the possession is very low. So naturally, some of them tend to, encroach the government forests like anything. Especially, on the Western Ghat area, because it's easily available. There is not much protection given by the government, so they are encroaching cutting the wood, cutting the trees for timber or the furniture, everything. But people are, government is taking certain steps, but still we are imparting some kind of education to the, from the beginning to the school children, to elders also, to the college students, school children also, actually.